Hello, hello, hello. Just waiting for YouTube to sync up here. Good old, let me just get my, while we're here on YouTube, I think my days are at YouTube are numbered by choice. I think that is. I'm going to test out Discord, what I've just posted up in my blog and all that. So let me just show you if you are interested. Rumble is where you want to be. The Quant Labs, one of these two, at rumble.com. When you search here under channel is what you want to search for. So you'll find more of that content there. But I'm looking at doing live streams on Discord, continuing along with my channels on Telegram. All right, so let's get into what we want to see here is the fun stuff. Well, let's first talk about what do you call good old US markets. First of all, if you want to continue, just join my email list, quantlabs.net for now. All right. Secondly, let's see here. I gotta make sure so many windows I got going on. Okay, so what I want to show you is the Yahoo Finance, what's been going on there. Not looking good. I mean, when you look at overall what's going on with S&P, the US markets are down. You'll see that on my motorway as well. Nasdaq up was barely. So it's always mixed here between the four of the US stock exchanges. Crude is up. Up a little bit. Forex is all over the place. Here, the Treasury is still what we got to watch. Bitcoin's up. The crypto's up, as I've hinted. UK down last night, and the Japanese down as well. So crypto's looking good. I've already done some videos on that. So here we are on Motorwave. So let me show you what's been going on. Of course, we have our Forex shorts, Australia, Canada. I don't know. USD Canada, I think, is going to go through a reversal here. We got a long, that's oil price there. It's definitely a good place to be. Silver, gold, and the franc and the yen. So these are your number one safe havens right now, outside of what I want to show you, which is going to get you better performance, which is Norway. Silver in Canada, and we have Swiss franc, euro, pound, Hong Kong, all longs. Again, Japanese yen, all that order. New Zealand. Funny enough, I thought there would be some strength there, but you can see how flat it is there. Same with silver in Singapore. We have another long call for Australia, Canada. Strange enough there. Australia, Japanese yen, short. Same with this. I was hoping to see some strength here with the Australian, New Zealand, euro, check, short. Same with the euro, Japanese yen. This is one that does, this is how you know euro, lira is dropping. While we wait, forget that. This is a key here is India. To see how it just drifts down. India has no hope right now. Second long call on the USD Canada, so that's encouraging. Here's where it gets really strange. Long on corn and US dollar, okay? So there's gonna be more of those with the agricultural. Australia USD, this used to really be a really good pair to really watch. Here we have our first short here on the SPX or SP 500. Same with the US top 30. This is CFDs from when, of course. This is rest of world view. Pound against the New Zealand short. Pound against that was a nice trade there, but that's a short there. See that recent set of declines. This is a 4-hour chart, just so you know. Pound against the Swiss francs holding its own. But look at this. This is the one that excites me. This is for sure. I hope USD Norway. And I've shown that before on how it performs in March. The crash last year. Second one. See here. For the gold in yen. This one I talked about, the gold silver ratio. Right there. XAG, that's silver again, second call in Canadian. Two more longs, silver in Swiss franc. Same with pound, but it's really going nowhere. This 1, 2, 3 short calls for Australia 200. Now we're moving from excellent to very good, but it's not very encouraging. Australia USD, again, another short. So something's not happening in Australia. Euro's not doing too good either with Swiss franc, short there. 2 short calls in Czech, Hungary. But look, shorts and everything else except in Norway. Norway's got a long. So it just confirms my theory. Euro, New Zealand. That's not too bad, but I wouldn't put a lot of emphasis on that. You're in Poland short. Now here's another one I would have hopes in. I don't know what's the short Euro and Swedish as well. Just the Euro, Turkish lira is getting clobbered. 2 shorts there. Hong Kong 33. This is rare to see a long for Hong Kong 33 for stock market. Short there for the Japanese 225. Another short for the New Zealand, Singapore. Thailand's got a long for the Taiwanese markets. But wait, China is saber rattling. That won't last very long. US 2000's got a short there. It did go up today, but that's when you know the markets are pretty well dead for the US. There's a short there. Poland short. Saudi Arabia, forget. No, nothing going on good there. Another short call for the S&P. Same with the top 30 for the US. 2 more longs for USD Norway. Hello. USD Singapore, 2 shorts there. Man, USD Turkish lira is getting killed. Natural gas, we know there's a decline, but look, a rare long call there. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. We have a short in soybean, but a long in wheat. So that's our last very good call. So start looking at the bonds here. See here, there's still dropping. 5-year, 10-year, it's trending down. It's starting to accelerate down. 30-year, well, that started back in August. And the 2-year, that's the only one that's holding its own. Usually it should be the 30-year that's doing well, but the short-term one's holding up. So we just looked at the treasury curve. I'm sure it's pointing down, something you don't want. So let's look at copper. Okay, it's flat. It's deciding on what's happening with our good virus. China's still declining. Okay, so Brent crude, though, there. We just look at the WTI as well. Yeah, so it's the same as the BCO. So not much is going on there, but the market's looking pretty unstable. And if you had to be a bet man, I'd be putting money into Norway. And it looks like if USD Canada could take off as well as a Forex pair. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.